Welcome back to Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions. Hey, check it out. Today, we're going to review this Rough Country dual exhaust system. Prior to this, I had a single exit Borla with a resonant delete, and it sounded great. So I was very nervous about switching to Rough Country, but after doing so about a year and a half ago, I am super happy with it. And today I'm going to do a quick review on it. This system here, it does come with the option to exit out the back, or you can exit out the sides, more like OEM style. The dual wall exhaust pipes are actually 304 stainless steel, which should last about 10 years. And the muffler and the actual pipes are 409. In a moderate climate, should last you anywhere from 8 to 12 years. Now, I particularly love the sound of this one, and you're going to hear it right now. All right, it's a cat back system, so you can see where it connects right there to where the cats are. Just run straight back, and you got your Rough Country muffler right there, and you can see it's held up quite well. Now, if you move to the back, all right, you can see going at the wheel well right there. One thing that I would do differently is prior to installing, I would definitely paint those pipes with a heat-resistant spray paint of sorts. That's just my preference. I wish I would have done that to make it a little more resistant to corrosion, but nonetheless, it looks really good after this much time. I also have a 34-inch tire back there, and you can see there's plenty of space, even with that large of a tire. Those are 305 70s by 17s. And there you can see the dual wall. Look really good, and I think they're the best sets out there. One thing that I like about these is the pipes don't sit too closely into the center of the truck. They're really well spaced. And that's it. Another Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions review and mechanical tip unmasked.